Marcel here. Today I'm back with another collective haul, and we're starting with my latest Neokyo package. Usually when I get a Neokyo order I kind of show the box at the beginning, but the box was so big, not like big but so long, and it was that big because of the posters it came with, and they added a bit extra space on each side. There's not as many things in this Neokyo package as I usually have. There's a few reasons for that. First of all, because as you can see, I ordered Luna's Japanese album through Neokyo, so we've got everything that I ordered here. I have a friend who's on Orbit and who ordered things with me too, so that's why Kim Lip is there. So yeah, and once the Luna albums arrive, I had everything sent to us. I'm going to show quickly the Luna albums. I'm not going to do an unboxing, so we are going to start with the Luna albums. I'm going to try to get the posters out, and then we'll look at the photo cards. And yeah, since it's smaller than usual, that's why it won't be like its own video. So you know me, I decided to get like as much as a full set that I could. I got obviously the regular version, and of course Hyojin's member version. She's my bias, so yeah, I had to get it. And I got limited A and limited B, or maybe it's like the opposite, but yeah. And one of the limited versions for my friend, and since his bias is Kim Lip, he got the Kim Lip version. So I'm just going to show it like this and not open it, because I forgot to ask him if I could open it on camera. Same with his version. We're going to put those aside. Let's start with the posters actually. It's not the most interesting, but yeah. So yeah, the box was so big and I couldn't understand why, but then I opened and I saw the posters and I knew why. And also I think they sent us, I should have expected that there would be like posters with the, you know, with the albums, because when you pre-order albums there's always the posters with them. And they sent us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, one for each album. I may regret this later, but I want to look at what the posters look like. Oh my god. Okay, I'll take pictures of the posters and insert them here because they're too big to show on my tiny desk. Let's start with this version, because it's the simplest one, I guess. So, since I was waiting for those albums, I haven't talked about Luna's Japanese debut at all on my channel. And honestly, I love I love Hula Hoop so much. When the song released, it was like I was instantly in love. Like I couldn't believe how good it is. Well, I could, because it's Luna, but yeah. So yeah, I was just so happy that well, there's many things I'm really happy about, but I'm really happy that they went back a bit to their like cuter style, you know. Like this is definitely giving hi era vibes, and what's not to like about that? So we've got the little, like, I see everyone call it a hobby strip, but I have no idea what that means. And there's a sticker also, so I'm going to try to keep all that. And maybe I should zoom in a bit, because things are going to be pretty small for now on. Yeah, I think that's a bit better. So yeah, And honestly, Hula Hoop is my favorite Luna song this year. The CD is so pretty. I've seen unboxings, but it's always different when you're seeing it, you know, in front of you, and it's very pretty. Sky background. So the other song we got is Starseed. I love Starseed a lot too. I've mentioned my friend who bought those albums with me. I'm so scared of breaking this, oh my god. And his favorite song of the two is actually Starseed, so yeah. And so here is the little like lyric booklet, and then we've got Painted Down in like the Japanese version, and city pop version of Hula Hoop, and which is like not that different, you know, but well, I really love the very colorful concept they went for this comeback too. Oh, this is so cute, little unit pictures. And we've got, of course, Tubes and Yeon. Ah la la. But yeah, I'm in love with this comeback. Should we look at the card right now or wait until we've got everything? No, I want to see it now. So this comes also with like this little those were codes for like basically a fan made, but it's passed by now, so yeah, I won't be using that. And our first card is Shu! Oh my god, she's so cute! Ah! So obviously I want to try to get Yojin's, but since you know I will be getting 3 cards, I'm keeping 3 of them. Those cards are so cute, and they are seen as the you know their previous cards are from End era. I think that's version A. So let's keep going with that one. So it's the front and the back. One thing that's really sad is this packaging, because yeah, these are basically like DVD boxes, and I've never seen another group do that. There's a huge cloud passing by, sorry. I've never seen another group do that, and usually Japanese packaging for limited edition is like not the best, but the tiniest bit better. Okay, so we have the photo book here, and that's the CD and the DVD. The colors are a bit hard to pick on camera because it's like yellow and pink. But yeah, really pretty too. When they announced the Japanese debut, I already knew that I would have to deal with the like jewel cases, you know. But like, I didn't think they would do like the DVD boxes also. This kind of reminds me of Wii games too. I don't know if you remember, but Wii games had the box that was kind of like that. So yeah. So the photo book, I think there's a photo card in there too, and there should be the code. So oh, I saw my card. Oh my god, I saw it, so I'm not going to pretend that I didn't see it. It's awesome! Oh my god. So Asol is my second bias, and I collect her cards too. I didn't know if I would collect her card, but since I got her, let's go! I mean, I'm screaming and everything, but no matter who I pull, I will be like really happy because I love all the girls. I've thought about collecting like OT12 for those, but honestly, yeah, I don't think it's going to be possible. I will try to buy a few other member versions because I really like how they look. And some are for sale for quite cheap on Mercari. Well, not cheap, but you know, reasonable prices. So that's basically more or less the same concept. People were a bit annoyed that it was just one photo card set for the limited album and the regular album, but I mean, I understand that, but also I'm glad that the cards prices won't be like crazy. And if I understood correctly, but I'm not 100% sure, but you should get, in the members version, you should get the photo card of the member you got. So at least I have one Yojin covered, you know. And everything is basically the same. Although no, it's not the same. Ah, it's so hard to take out. But yeah, the CDs are the same color basically. This is my favorite cover of the two. But yeah. I just want to check quickly. Yeah, no, the photo book was pink. I'm going to take the PC out. Okay, this time I didn't look. What's the first page? Lyrics, and okay, it's oh, I'm not doing a full unboxing because it's been a while since this has been out, but I really love Heijin's blonde hair. Oh, my little bean. Yeah, I love everything. I really love the styling and like the hair and everything. I'm just so happy. Let's take this out and oh, Joërie. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. Ah. So here are my pulls. I don't know yet like who I will trade or what. I look with my friend when he opens his version, what photo card he gets. And yeah, back in Ash era, yeah, it was for Ash, we bought albums together like this, and he got Hyojin in his album, and they were, you know, with the MMT pre-order cards, and his pre-order card little set had Hyojin in it too. So he has more Hyojin luck than me, I guess. And yeah, if he gets her, we will trade. So yeah, the member version, they're honestly so cute. So you got the little this again. And yeah, I really like how this looks, and I really love she's upside down, but as you can see that the CD is in there. It's like a thinner material than the normal. Oh, my card is slipping. Than the other, you know, regular version, but yeah. And so you just have the lyrics in here. we're going to slide that back in. And I'm going to turn the CD around. The CD plates are so cute, and I didn't really know, I don't know if it was like not really explained or what, but I didn't know that the CD will be like the members too, so yeah. Oh, she's so cute. But also now I don't really know like which side to, you know, display, because I'm definitely going to display this. And the photo card, yeah. Oh, she's so cute. I got your Jane. This is so cute. I love her so much. So now we're done with the Japanese albums. I will mention like which card my friend got. Well, which card, because we know he got Kim Lip in his version. But I had a few other things that were new queue, and I'm going to open them with them. It's two things. It's like a few Luna cards, the last one I was missing for my collection, and NB cards, because I right before the Japanese albums arrive, I decided to like collect her thoroughly, and so I've got a lot of NB things like that were already arrived with and everything, and I also have a lot on the way right now. So we start with the Luna cards. We've got this Asshole card. This was the last Asshole card that I needed. So yeah. Now I'm pretty much done with End Era, with the exception of course, the Virgin card. But well... Shaking and crying, y'all. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but you see they use like normal tape, and the card fell down a bit and is stuck to the tape. Okay. We got her out. She's free. So this card is honestly very cursed, because if you've seen templates or if you collect Vivi, you know that basically she has two cards that are extremely similar, and I bought this one because I thought it was the one I don't have, but honestly until like I compare with the one in my binder, I won't know. And you know what? I'm going to think about it. It's stressing me out, so yeah, I'm going to check. Oh my god. It's not the same card. I did it! Oh my god. It's very like... She changed her face in the smallest bit, you see? The eyebrows are higher and her lips like look a bit bigger because of the slight angle change. Oh my god. If this hadn't been the right card, like the card I actually needed, I think I would have turned into the Joker, honestly. Like, yeah. And then we've got, last but not least, this beautiful Yunjin card for all the other girls. So outside of Hassel, Vivi and Eugene, I collected one card per girl. And this... And the last one I was missing was Yunjin, and I decided to get this card because I really like these flower cards. I really wish that everyone had done a little D version card with flowers. That way I would have collected like a set, you know? But no, Eugene did the beer card instead, and we are living in pain and suffering every day now, besties. The NB cards, there's quite a lot. let's start. Let's go kind of chronological. First we have this card. It's a Secret Time card. It was like a package thing, kind of like Secret Diary. They released that before I started collecting IZ*ONE, so I didn't buy it. And I've always looked at the cards because they are very cute. I never actually got them, but then recently I decided to. As I've said, collector more thoroughly, so I got that card. Then we have this card. It's Oniric Theater, and it's one of the K-Town For You pre-order benefits, if I remember correctly. I'm going to put her in. But yeah, there's two of them, and the other one is her blonde hair, I think. I'm going to try to get the other one. Her next two cards are kind of together. There are two, one the story, like merch benefit cards. I don't remember. The IZ*ONE template is honestly so big at this point. I'm just like buying, without knowing really what it is. And then we've got something a bit more recent. It's one of her open, like, special cards. So it's I don't know if it's a pre-order or fine sign card or kind of both, but it's a Shibuya open card, and it was like really like for sale for a really nice price because of damage, which is, you see, I can say that the back has scratches, but like who cares about the back? And honestly the front is perfect. So like, it's, I don't like square edge cards because they get damaged corners easily, and you can see, yeah, like, is this going to keep me up at night? No. I'm so glad I got this card because it's like one of the harder ones to get. Then we've got some of her, like, I'm destroying this bag. Some of her, like, some of her 12 cards. Those were like trading cards. That's the word I was looking for. So for this set, there's actually 4 cards in total. As you can see, the set I found has 2, so I'll try to, I don't know if I can trade for the last one, but I'll try to find the last one. As you may know, I collect NB in a 4 pocket binder, like in a A5 binder, so having like 4 cards for this set is really nice. It will look perfect, and I really like the backs. Those were released for 12. I'm just going to put them like this. And the last thing, is a big set of trading cards, and oh, they decorated some polas. They decorated some top loaders. Let's start with this one. It's packed, oh my god. So those are some of our older trading cards. I don't even know it was like for what era. So we've got first 3 of the same card. But yeah, for those kinds of cards, there's often sets with like a lot of similar cards, but if you, like, price-wise, it's like the best thing you can find. So yeah, I just like try to do a nice setup, and I'll try to sell or trade. But we've got also those 2 that are actually different. We're going to put them here like that. And yeah, a really cute top loader. I'm really bad at decorating, and also I don't have stickers to do that, so I always send people I trade with top loaders that I get. And then those are like some far away. Ah, that was Suki no Iwa Setai. I think that was the name of the song. Not the biggest fan of their Japanese releases, so yeah. But yeah, I think I have most of the set now. Even if I don't, I just try to do like 2 4 pocket pages or something like that. I'm going to zoom out for the intro, for the outro. So that's quite, that's super messy, yikes. But yeah, that's it for this clip. The next package you'll see will probably be albums, because the next Nyokyo package I have, like, things just started to arrive, so it will, I will have it sent out in like more than a month, and it will have a lot more things, so yeah. Thank you a lot for watching, I'll see you right in a second.